Understanding the phrase, appreciation gift, English language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, appreciation gift. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage will definitely enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. Appreciation gift consists of two words, appreciation and gift. Let's break them down. Appreciation means the recognition and enjoyment of the good qualities of someone or something. It implies a sense of gratitude or acknowledgement. Gift refers to something given willingly to someone without payment, a present. When combined, appreciation gift refers to a present given to someone as a way of showing gratitude or acknowledgement for their efforts, support, or contribution. This phrase is commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. Here are some examples. In a workplace, an employee might receive an appreciation gift from their employer for outstanding performance. In personal relationships, you might give a friend an appreciation gift to thank them for their support during a tough time. It's important to note that an appreciation gift doesn't have to be expensive or grand. It's the thought and the intention of showing gratitude that counts. The concept of giving an appreciation gift can vary culturally. In some cultures, such gifts are expected in certain situations, while in others, they might be given more spontaneously. Additionally, the type of gift can also vary depending on the cultural background and personal preferences. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, appreciation gift. Remember, it's a beautiful way to express gratitude and recognize someone's efforts or contributions. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning video.